Hello everyone, welcome back to Cabbage Financial Solutions. If you are new to GTA 5 Online, you might think that you need to buy expensive businesses or vehicles to make money, but that is not true anymore. Today, you can make millions of dollars in GTA Online without buying expensive properties or businesses. Yes, even beginners can start making good money right away. In this video, I will show you 3 of the easiest and best methods to make money in GTA 5 Online, especially if you are a new player. So, let's get started. Method 1. Cluckin Bell Farm Raid. The first and easiest method is the Cluckin Bell Farm Raid. This mission is perfect for beginners because you do not need to buy anything to start it. You can find it directly on the map with the V icon. When you complete this raid for the first time, you can earn about $750,000. After that, you can still make around $500,000 every time you complete it. The mission usually takes about 1 hour to finish. This makes it one of the best ways for beginners to quickly earn a lot of money. Method 2. First dose and last dose missions. The second method is completing the first dose and last dose missions. These missions are also great for new players because they are simple story style missions. When you complete the first dose missions for the first time, you can earn around $500,000 in total bonuses. After that, you can complete the last dose missions and earn another $500,000 in bonuses. That means you can make about $1 million just by finishing these missions. On top of that, you also get a free Brigade 6 truck and a free Ocelot Virtue supercar, which is a huge bonus for beginners. Method 3. Acid Lab Business. The third method is the Acid Lab Business, which is one of the easiest passive income methods in the game. After finishing the first dose missions, you unlock the Brigade 6 truck. You can upgrade it into an acid lab for about $750,000. Once it is set up, you simply buy supplies, let the product build up, and then sell it for profit. The best part is that the acid lab keeps producing while you play other missions, so you can earn money in the background while doing other activities in the game. So these are 3 unique and beginner-friendly methods to make money in GTA 5 Online without buying expensive properties. If you combine these methods, you can easily start building your money and eventually earn millions of dollars in the game.